So today we've had Paul come down from Ceasar's. He's local to us. He's done the door poppers, the indicators on the mirrors, and he's going to do the RX8 rear tail lights. So big news for Yes One Pug. Today, finally, after talking about it a lot, got the door poppers done. Paul from Ceasar Electrical in Rochester came down. He done the door poppers, the front indicator lights on the mirrors, and he'll be back next week to do the tail lights. Only because we're going to need a diagram for the RX8 loom or a plug that goes on the end of there so that we can make it easier to wire them up. But the door poppers are done. When we bought this, it came with no switches for the electric window, so most probably when Paul comes back again as well, we're going to get him to wire up a couple of switches to somewhere in the dashboard, maybe one here and one here. Not sure yet. It's a bit of a talking point, so or we could go back to winding windows. Yeah, we'll see. As it's only because the loom that we put in it hasn't got an electric window system in it, but I'm sure we can figure out something, can't we? Surely, can't be that hard. So in the previous video we had the wireless sensor and the relays plumbed into the glove box, but Paul from Ceasar's put them up here out of the way, nice and tidy, with the wireless sensor on the left hand side there and the relays up there. Awesome job. So we're going to be looking for a new glove box. This bumper's ready to be flat sanded, mostly reinforced at the back because it is so, well, delicate, I guess. You lift it in the wrong place and it cracks, but we're going to try our best to sort it out. And this is the process on the spoiler at the moment. So I've chopped it down the middle, as I might have said, and just making like a box section around the outside to fit around the boot. Obviously after I've done the car, then it'll be a case of just sanding that and smoothing it in the middle and putting the fin back in, chopping the fin down to make that fit. Obviously it's not finished yet, it's just the start of it, but some of the quotes we've had for the paint or the wrap are just outrageous, to be honest with you. It's actually got to the point where we might actually try spraying it ourselves. We're not sure yet, but yeah, we'll keep you updated. What's left to do? We've got the tyres, the brakes, the rear lights, door cards, then it's all about finishing the bodywork. Let's get it done, let's get it to its MOT, let's get it to max power.